said a lot of people got them?
I think so, bro. I think like, I've seen like 3 or 4 of them. Different people.
That's probably 3 or back with another video, and as you see, it's raining outside, but we still got the top off, man. We moving too fast for this water to touch us, man. You know what I mean? We on our way to Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna have to pull over in a second though and throw the top on because the water ain't falling on me from up top, but right over here on the window, it keeps going right over the top of the window. Getting on me. Alright guys, now I done got rained on, man. I don't know if y'all can see my pants and not look like I done peed on myself. But I had the top off, man. Of course, it's just gonna start raining right when I take the top off and start rolling. But I'm about to throw the top back on and we about to get back in motion, gang. So give me a 1, 2, 3 quick seconds, man. Alright, baby, top back on. We back rolling, man. Whole thing thought we were finna stop. Nah, man, we out here, man. This first weekend out, man. First weekend out in 10 years, man. We bringing it outside. Now, I left it home yesterday. We jumped in Loop. You know what I mean? But I couldn't do it 2 days in a row, man. I'm sorry. You know, this weather want to be up and down. Don't know when it want to come. Like, I ain't got no time for that, man. We outside, man. 2021 shit, you hear me? But yeah, fam. Pulling up to a little Cars and Coffee. Look, you dig, you know what I'm saying? A couple of the guys out there already. We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. You know we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. I got me a little umbrella with me, so we straight. Oops. Top back off, gang. This rain think it's finna win, man. It's not finna win, bro. We out here. I done got my pants and stuff all dirty, though. Taking the top on and off, rubbing up against the car. Car got charcoal and stuff in it from the fiberglass, and that's all on me now. But we almost here though. We almost here, man. I'm gonna pull up. I don't see no Starbucks around. I need to go grab me a coffee. I ain't got enough hands for that. Well, I guess it ain't raining no more, so I ain't gotta hold the umbrella, but I wanted me a coffee for the Cars and Coffee, you feel me? But whatever, man. We're gonna go get this little footage, you know what I'm saying? Back on the scene, gang. It's out here drizzling a little bit, man. Got JoJo Cars walking up, but he ain't what I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see this beautiful 89 right here, man. They bringing the vets out 2021, man. We finna take over. Y'all said Mopar, gang. Fuck that. Like the interior on his shit, too. I think I'm gonna change my interior red, too, in mine. I found some seat covers that they make for these, and they come in like sections, and they like snap in, so you can't even tell that they covers. Why they let that car in, man? They could have let my shit in too. Oh, that motherfucker cold right there. Woo. Y'all see what time it is?
You got a hurricane right now.
Yes, sir. Hurricane or the Viper?
Viper, all day.
Yeah, I'm with that.
All day.
I'm with that.
Shelby all
Big
day.
Mopar gang. You say Shelby all day?
All day, yeah.
Nah, fuck that.
What? This one?
Nah, I'm cool.
What?
I'm cool, I said.
Y'all heard me?
I said I'm cool. They heard me?
You wouldn't get the Shelby.
No. Not over that Hurricane and that Viper, hell no.
You would not get the selfie.
See them big ass pipes on it? You gonna burn your leg every single time you get out the car. No, no sir, no.
Hey, there's something wrong with thinking of me.
I'm just different, that's all. I'm just
There's
different.
something wrong with me.
Why something gotta be wrong with the guy that's different? That's how people die. They be like, something's wrong with him, get rid of him. You talking about, yeah, for real. Get rid of him, that's fucked up.
What you just said was not valid. Not valid, bro. Wearing this shit, damn.
Ooh, go ahead. Go ahead.
17 yes.
Oh, wee.
17.
Hey y'all, we working the phone, the umbrella, and the camera at the same time, man. Who working harder? Which one y'all taking, man? Blue stripe? White hood, which one?
That's something you see every day, bro.
Yeah, no,
I'm
these
taking
joints
the old
crazy.
school one, though, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but
Why?
I like classics, bro.
Yeah.
I like older cars because they were actually made right.
I seen a couple of what's that little car you got that you've been working on?
Oh, the Honda.
Yeah, I seen one. I made a little Instagram. I think that's the same thing. An Instagram posted up.
Yellow one.
Yeah, that bitch was cold.
It's the same thing, but there's customers.
That shit was cold, bro.
That shit was straight custom.
You gotta make your shit look like that.
It's gonna be a whole chalkboard.
They had some.
Good. How you doing?
What's going on with you, bro? Think I seen you yesterday out there in Elgin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Go ahead and shout your channel out or something. Your IG, anything, bro. We gotta link up, man.
Ben Levy.
Yeah,
What is it?
Ben Levy.
Ben Levy?
Yeah.
That's your Instagram?
Yes, sir.
Ben Levy Pics.
Okay, bet it up, man. We definitely gonna link up, man. I see you out here grinding. We all gotta grind together, bro. That's what's up, man. Ooh wee.
I saw one of those cars over there.
Not Vegeta. Not Vegeta. Ultra Instinct. I'll see how he coming, man. It's the coldest one out here, just because he got Goku on the back.
Sir, my whole ankle was in there making love to your Will.
Hey, who Goku joint is this?
Everybody, man. It's for the culture, man.
Man, for real. Say that again, for the culture, for real. Hey, it's the coldest car out here just because you got Vegeta on the windshield. That's crazy, bro. That's, yeah, bro, that's crazy. This joint right here, nuts.
Right back.
Y'all know what time it is, man. Ultra Instinct on the window right here, man. What's up? Y'all see what time it is, man. 7 Dragon Balls up top. Cold. Cold.
9, 10 of us. 10 of us here.
Oh, we boys.
All these people standing in the way, but y'all see what's going on right here. Stand right in front of the damn car and talk. Stupid. Like motherfuckers don't got cameras out here, bro. Bro, is that open over here?
Yeah, I am Chip _ E.
I am Chip _
I am Chip _ E.
And he got the Dragon Ball Z shirt on, man. I like this brother right here, man. We gonna.
Well, you see the Supreme car, right?
Oh, I ain't noticed it was a Supreme car.
Yeah.
Man, go ahead and get a better walk around, man. We ain't do it justice. I saw that. I like the old school, so we kind of skipped over this. I got it on camera, but you know how it is, man. Got the carbon fiber kit on there, ground effects kit,
Keep the rotors, custom center caps.
Supreme rotors. Oh, I thought that was something else. Y'all see how he coming, man. Supreme everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Which one y'all taking, family? You got the old school Stingray, new Stingray. So a lot of people got them.
I think so, but I think like I've seen like 3 or 4 of them. Different people.
There's probably 3 or 4 of them in Illinois only.
I don't know about that one, bro. I've seen multiple, bro.
That jam crazy. Carbon fiber kit on it all the way around.
Is this your first Super Bowl? All right.
No, I have a couple.
Couple of them.
So I have that other GT that was here. I have a yellow one like that. That was my first GT. And then,
I put Emma in the car.
oh, she's in the car? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, you good?
You recording, bro?
Nah, I ain't good, bro. You good? Yeah, I had this.
All this is carbon fiber, man. I know y'all can't see because it's raining. Everywhere where you see black at, man, it's carbon fiber. This thing is crazy. Pipes coming up the top. Jesus.